couldn't do much with the bat, but perhaps he can make an impact with the ball. That would be a wide, or not.
Yeah, that's a very good delivery. Very good delivery. Just inside the line. Just trying to bowl much fuller. In fact, he's got a man at deep point. He's got a man at deep third man. So that's the reason he's bowling that line. Oh, lovely delivery. Disguising his pace there. Almost foxing his batsman. Good variation of pace by Sharad. He's been very impressive. Bowling his last over, his second over. Lovely variations. Just see, just mixing it. That was a slow delivery. Just see the seam position right in the block hole. In the end, just getting his bat to it. And good effort as well. Just varying his pace. That's the reason you see the batsman not getting the timing right. They're trying to hit it too hard. And that's exactly what you got to do on this kind of service, Vineet. Just mix your pace. Once you're mixing your pace as a batsman, to go for the big shots is always going to be difficult.
Well, this partnership seems to be commendable. A pensive Sohail Khan. Not so pensive anymore because he knows his team has done the job. The Kerala strikers are in a spot of bother. A very difficult, perilous task to get to that total from this point onwards. Despite having wickets in hand, they have pushed themselves to a spot of bother where they cannot come out of. And clinical bowling from Sharad.
या बेहतरीन टाइमिंग, बहुत ही दर्शनीय शॉट. सीधे बल्ले से खेला, बढ़िया संपर्क. थोड़ा क्रीज के आगे आ गए और सीधे बैट से खेलते हुए. और ये बेहतर रहता है जब आप वी में खेलेंगे तो यहाँ चांसेस है आप गेंद को मीट करेंगे. 8 पे पहुंचे सलीम. 8 ही गेंदों का सामना किया. 41 रन अभी भी नामुमकिन नहीं है केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए. एक अच्छा ओवर और परिणाम कुछ भी हो सकता है इस मुकाबले का.
जी बिल्कुल, विकेट्स ना गवाएं और स्टेडी फ्लो ऑफ रन्स जैसा कि हमने फरमाया पहले भी बहुत जरूरी है. और बाउंड्रीज एवरी अदर बॉल, एवरी ऑड बॉल, दे नीड अ बाउंड्री और टू टू गेट थ्रू दिस. एंड विल दिस बी अ रन आउट? परहैप्स नॉट. द पेनल्टिमेट बॉल एंड अ फंबल has come up with another run. Last ball of the 7th over, 40 runs required of 19 balls, and like Ajay said, it is not an impossible task. They can make it happen.
और एक और समस्या जो विनीत है वो है कि गेंद जो है वो गीली हो रही है, तो कई बार ग्रिप करना इतना आसान नहीं. अंतिम गेंद, ओ पुल करने का प्रयास, हेलमेट के बहुत करीब. 5 रन मिलते अगर हेलमेट को छू लेती. तो भाग्य ने जरूर साथ दिया मुंबई हीरोज का. बाई का इशारा. 46 पे 2. Himself coming on, so could be that he might also bowl the last over. Varun Madola bowling the 8th over, so could be that he might also bowl the 10th over. 39 required of 18. He's a decent customer with the ball. Normally seen him open the ball, bowling with the new ball. Good fielder as well. Captaining this season the Heroes. So would like to lead from the front. Set an example here. Oh, that's a vivid delivery. Not a great start here for Varun.
Where was that headed? Well, perhaps that was for good luck. And a dot delivery at this point in time can really discourage the Kerala strikers. They find themselves in a precarious situation, and these two batters, Salim and Arun, need to hold on to whatever courage, whatever determination they have left, and go for the big ones yet again. A wayward delivery, not a good start. Perhaps pressure is mounting and the captain is seething under it.
अगर इनका एक्शन आप देखें थोड़ा राउंड आर्म है और उसमें कई बार गेंद को कंट्रोल करना इतना आसान नहीं. बहुत हाई आर्म एक्शन नहीं है, थोड़ा राउंडिश आर्म है. तो यही कारण है, आप देख रहे हैं थोड़ा सा आप दिशा से भटक रहे हैं। लीजिए, जवाब दिया करारा, बेहतरीन संपर्क और मैक्सिमम 6 रन, 50 रन पूरे होते हुए केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के।
बहुत ही जरूरत थी ऐसी शॉट की, ऐसी एक मूवमेंट की जो उनके कॉन्फिडेंस को, उनके मनोबल को बढ़ा सके। बेहतरीन शॉट, clinical follow through, and it's a big one.
Come on. Hold your strength, yeah, hold your strength.
Well, like we said earlier, it's not an impossible task. They just need to not lose any wickets and just focus and take advantage of some of the bad deliveries and get to that total. Remember, this is a 10-over game,
ठीक है?
and this is the 8th over. And Varun Badola, the captain, taking matters into his own hand, but not doing a very good job. And here's another one. Will this cross the boundary? Well, it just falls short of the fielder, and he falls himself as well, but manages to throw the ball back. Kavita Kaushik looking pensive.
एक बहुत बढ़िया मुकाबला जा रहा है अरुण के लिए। जब गेंदबाजी कर रहे थे अरुण, 2 विकेट लिए, अब बल्लेबाजी करते हुए 32 पे पहुंचे हैं केवल 21 गेंदों में। और एक जो मिड विकेट पे है वहां पे काफी रन दर्ज किए, तो वहां पे अब फील्ड में बदलाव, काफी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं फील्ड में। शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन पे खिलाड़ी तो अब दिशा से ज्यादा भटक नहीं सकते वरुण। इस बार उठाए खेला ऑन साइड पे, गेंद हवा में, फील्डर के आगे गिरती हुई वापस आएंगे दूसरे रन के लिए,
और आसानी से वापस आए। करीब है लक्ष्य, और प्रेशर भी उतना ही नजदीक, सर के ऊपर मंडराता हुआ प्रेशर। कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है 27 रन पाना। Stranger things have happened in the game of cricket. A good spell or a bad spell could either way land this team on the victory side of the fence. Well, not his day, definitely not his day. The third white ball of his over. And he just has to get his bearings together. Ten runs already coming off this over. 3 wide deliveries. They don't want to lose the match from here on. This is a winning situation. And he smacks it towards the offside.
Bowler gaya bowler.
And get a couple of runs. Lazy fielding. All the runs.
This has been a very productive over for the Kerala strikers. This is exactly what they required. Just what the doctor ordered for them. 15 runs coming so far. Just 24 required of 14 deliveries.
Well, that's a big one. Well, hopefully it's not going to land in somebody's gloves. And it does not. And that was Apoorv Lakhia who missed that catch.
Change.
It could have been a sitter had any of the fielders been closer to it. Apoorv Lakhia giving it a shot, giving it a go, but well tried nevertheless.
Yeah, those catches coming over the shoulders are always tough. Expensive over. Oh, that's backed on the offside. That's a lovely strike. Great connection. That's going to be a maximum. What an over for the strikers. 69 for 2.